Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Eat Pray Love Travel. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Fairmont to check on their lunch buffet. So, lunch is at 2,900 weekdays. Hindi ko lang alam yung dinner kung magkano, pero we'll post it here. Plus the breakfast. So, international food, sobrang daming selections actually naran na namin. But, we'll show you the menu. Here it is. Try natin ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Almondi. Breaded fish. Okay. Go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So guys, kumuha ko ng sipag curry, lechon, porchetta, pork, lemongrass, chicken, Malaysian chicken, and buttered chicken. Okay? So for the second set yan. So ito na yung mga nakuha nila. Ikot ka ba? Lentil soup, and mga healthy. And finally, there's baked salmon. and a lot of healthy food. Chicken menudo, chop suey,
Mga cheese and cold cuts.
roast beef.
Yeah.
I thought we ordered roast beef. Lentil soup. Awesome. Excited ako dito sa ano,
Saan?
baked salmon.
Mukhang ngayon ang pili ako mukha. Nakita ko kami.
Unahin natin pa.
How about the roast beef? Ba natin?
Yeah. Miss? Wala kayong drink.
Actually, we offer lang po include na
Roast beef. Sarap.
Ano, malambot ba? Or...
Malambot.
Okay, please take note na kasama to sa buffet. You can order separately mga pizza and pasta nila. So, ito yung mga choices. And, guys, hindi kasama yung drinks, pero ang kasama lang is coffee and hot tea. Plus, of course, you have water. So, may mga wine selections and then may mga drinks din mga kasama. I mean, like, drinks na ino-offer, pero separate siya. Take note of that. Nalagyan ba ako? Wala.
Ay, sa ano mo? Sa sikom mo. Check pag-grill ka pala.
Aglio olio, chicken pepan, and asan yung mga ano? Ha?
Masarap.
Talaga.
Feeling ko, ay,
Chicken
naka-video
menudo.
ba?
Sarap. Chicken menudo.
Walang descriptor.
Walang description. Sarap lang. Yeah. Thank you. Chop suey is also masarap. Thank you.
Bakit?
po well done ako na roast. Well done ba? Yung mga seafood nila. Parang yung mga seafood nila, parang hindi masyadong special. I mean like, hindi specialization nila ang seafood, something like that. Very basic. No? Unlike sa ibang hotel na ang lalaki ng mga seafood, pati mga hipon na lalaki. We're gonna try it. Okay?
Yung kanin na binigay mo sa akin, nabusog na ako.
Talaga? Pero masarap.
Yeah. Sa dibdib.
Fish.
Saan ka galing?
Ice cream week. Kasi Oreo, nag-usaw na. Okay guys, nasa dessert na tayo. Pero meron pa to. And can you like remove that? Did you ano na din? We ordered this one. Margarita, no?
Margarita.
Nasa dessert na pero makain pa ng margarita pizza. Sarap. No?
Iba to?
Cold. Ice cream. Ano siya? Oreo. Ang sarap.
Sarap to.
Lasang gatas. Ito mo. Oh. Ang sarap. Try niyo po Oreo. No?
Sobrang pure na pure.
Pure yung gatas niya. Coffee, cafe latte is included in the buffet. You just have to ask them. Rock sugar. Their lunch buffet is from Monday to Saturday, 12 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. and ang price is 2,900. Every Sunday they have brunch from 12 o'clock to 3 p.m. at ang price naman is 4,300. Ito yung cake na naka-display kanina ito.
Mango chocolate.
Something like that. We're gonna try it. Sarap daw.
Yeah. Dark chocolate siya. Tapos may walnut. Lasang-lasa mo kasi may pait siya eh.
Ang pait.
Diba? Pero ang malupit yung walnut ang dami. Ayun no, pag inano mo yung walnut.
Maasim.
Maasim yung mangga.
Itong Fairmont nasa Itigo din. Tama?
May 50 off sila.
And I think nasa Star Deals din to eh. Sa Star Deals hanggang 30 off lang. Sa Itigo merong 50 off pero start yata around
Nakita ko
1
kanina
PM.
1 o'clock.
Mga around 1 p.m. Kami naman, we are availing this for our points lang sa Accor. So, if you're interested to be an Accor member, message us on our Facebook account or Instagram. Yung Instagram, very seldom namin nagagamit. Actually, kahit Facebook, or ang talagang YouTube lang yung na. But anyways, babayad namin dito is points lang. So, points through the consumption, daily consumption, pwede yun. Pag kumakain ka sa kung saan hotel, nag-earn ka ng points. And kapag ka nagsistay ka sa mga
Hotel.
Accor member hotel, nag-earn ka rin ng points. Nag-corner ka ng points. So, everything na gagastusin namin dito, through points na. Actually, accommodation namin right now sa Fairmont is also through Accor membership. Maraming benefits ang pagiging Accor member. So, if I were you, kung mahilig kayo kumain like us, try ninyo. Anyway, mura naman. It's actually from, depende kung may promo, it's 8,900 pag may promo, 9,900 pag walang promo, no? Pero most of the time may promo sila. Minsan yung promo nila may extra dining benefits, points, parang something like that. Like itong previous na July, they offered free breakfast sa Admiral for 2, which we availed. 2,500 points din, no? So maraming kasama. And it's only 8,900, ba? Parang ganun, 8,900. So, sulit na kasi syempre we're gonna pay dun sa accommodation mo. Ganun din naman yun. Yung amount, diba? So, anyway, membership is valid for 1 year. So, mahaba-haba pa yung span ng time na pwede mong gamitin yung mga benefits niya. That's it. Halo.
Ba't color green?
Pandan ko.
Ah, nice ah. Yan, yung leche plan. Halo mo ba ba? Walang ano? Yung ube na ano? Yung ube?
My third round for the ice cream. Sobrang sarap talaga. Guys, watch out for our Fairmont room tour amenities, which will...
Sige, tuloy mo.
Guys, watch out for our upcoming vlog for this Fairmont
Room tour and
Dali!
hotel amenities.
Oh, ikaw na.
Hotel amenities.
Guys, please watch out for our Fairmont Makati vlog as we are going to have our room tour and of course, yung mga amenities na meron dito. Plus, we'll also try to check out Raffles and we'll provide you with all the amenities and room din kung possible. Okay? Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and
Hit the notification bell for more updates.
thank you. Bye-bye.